Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-46B Injector Water Valve Body Spindle Plate for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-46B Injector Water Valve Body Spindle Plate for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So it's got a note here on the part that it's pointing to, on the part we're going to build, it's pointing to this section here, take over from part 146A. So I'm surmising this is the same size, but a lot of this stuff in there is not there. So what I might do, I might resave this. Let me just save that, make sure it is saved. Let me resave it. This is going to be part B, Injector Water Valve Body Spindle Plate. So let's make sure that's saved. Yep. So let me delete a lot of this stuff. All that comes out. Yep. 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 That can stay. That can go. Reason that one doesn't affect it because the ones I'm deleting is not on them. So okay. That's gonna be a different size hole. Let me get rid of that. There we go. Okay, let me now normalize that one because this reckons 26 because it's got 19 from there. And it's got 3 radius from there. You know, I had to do 2. So I think something's messed up. Okay, I'm not going to do this 26 right now. I'm going to leave as is. Because take over from part 146A. And it's pointing at these holes. So I'm going to leave this as is. But it's not going to be as deep. It is 5. Rebuild. Hello. There we go. Oh, sorry. Had the wrong one. Boss extrude. 5. There we go. That's better. Went the wrong way. There we go. That's 5, so it's all the same, but it's got a nipple coming out this way, but the nipple's different size. That's why I deleted the old one. The nipple we like call thread on. So let's now go there. We want circle, and the outside is 12. So sketch. Smart dimension, I mean, sorry. 12. Feature. And that's going to stick out 10. And done. Now, let's do a sketch on that one. No, not smart dimension. Circle first. Can't measure something we don't have in it there, can we? Now, the hole in that one is 8. And that's going to go through all. So feature, through all, and done. Okay, so that's done. Now we want to go to hole wizard, thread. It's going to be an M12. M12. It's going to start on the bottom there. Going to end up top. And go for it. There we go. That's all it is for that one. So yeah, so take over from part 146A. Interesting. But that's all it shows. And it shows 26 square, but this, yeah. So if we have to rebuild it, but right now I'm just going to see what does when it's assembled, see what issues we have, and then we can adjust then. Doesn't show a scope in. Nope, there's no sloping in like the other one. So that's that part done. Anyway, if you enjoyed the episode or it's helpful, click that like button. If you want to see more, do subscribe. Go in comments, leave them below. I do love hearing from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode, and remember, thank you very much.